Hello, it's Susan here for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making a hair bow for the Sylveon Gijinka Cosplay. For Sylveon's head bow, we're going to be using cut sew number 13, the Fairy Ami pattern. Cut 2 of the bow center pieces out of pink fabric and 4 of the bow side pieces out of white fabric. Then on half of them, so on 1 of the pink and 2 of the white, we're going to apply some fusible interfacing. Then we're going to sew the interfaced and non-interfaced bow pieces together so that the pink piece is in the middle. Putting right sides together, sew the bow pieces together along the edge, leaving a gap open so it can be turned right side out. Turn the bow piece right side out and sew the hole closed. To make the ties of the bow, we're going to cut 4 of the tie pieces out of white fabric and 4 of the tie end pieces out of the teal fabric. On 2 of the white pieces and 2 of the teal pieces, we're going to apply some fusible interfacing to give it a little bit more stability. Then we're going to put right sides together and sew the teal pieces onto the bottom of the white strips. This step is not included in the directions, but I decided to add it so it would look a little bit more like Sylveon. So cut a strip of the pink fabric and folded the edges inward. Then I'm going to sew it on to the ribbon piece where the white fabric meets the teal fabric. Next, we're going to put the ribbon pieces right side together and sew them together all along the edge, leaving the top open. Then turn it right side out, press it flat, and zigzag along the top edge. Put the 2 ribbon pieces together and sew them together along the top. To create the knot of the bow, we're going to cut the knot piece out of pink fabric and apply some fusible interfacing. Then we're going to fold the edges inward and sew them in place. Then fold over and sew the other ends of the knot. Place the bow tails and the base bow piece on top of each other. Then we're going to wrap the knot portion around it and hand sew everything into place. Also going to add on a hair clip so that the bow can be attached to the wig. And with that, Sylveon's bow is done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!